to the Martin Racing channel. In today's video, I'm headed out to the Rays MX farm. I'm going to be testing out a Stock Crf 110 that my buddy Kyle let me use while I have my bike tore down at the shop. I'm getting the big board kit installed in it. If you haven't seen the teardown, look in this link right here and you'll get to see it getting broke apart and setting up the race head. Also, if you didn't catch the latest video where we're going all throughout the trails as fast as we can, make sure you check that out also. Here it is. All right, stick along with us. Let us know what you think about the track. Make sure to comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now. What do you think?
What do you think about the track?
That's pretty cool. What do you like the best?
The track.
Just the track? What do you think about all the motorcycles? They're pretty cool. Which one was your favorite one?
The yellow helmet.
I mean, I don't blame
The
you.
yellow
Pretty
one?
hot.
Awesome. Is it that one right there? Oh, the yellow helmet guy. Yeah, that's Mr. Tripp.
He does wheelies.
He does wheelies. Yeah, he can do a lot.